Good morning, children. In our previous class, we had learned addition. So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is subtraction. In last day you have already learned about 3-digit subtraction. So in this year you are going to learn about 4-digit subtraction, that is by taking borrowing or without borrow. So let's start the lesson. That is first problem 2839 minus 2911. So here, if you observe children, we have 4-digit number. Okay. So here 2839 is called as minuend, and 2911 is called as subtrahend. And what answer you will get from this is called as difference. So what is the meaning of minuend? Minuend is nothing but a greater number or a bigger number from which you are going to subtract another number, that smaller number, that is called minuend. And what is the meaning of subtrahend? Subtrahend is a number which is going to subtract from a greater number, that is called subtrahend. And the difference is, after subtracting, what answer you will get from that is called difference. So this is about minuend, subtrahend and difference. Now let's start a lesson with the subtraction without borrowing. That is with the help of place value table, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So here we have to subtract 4228 from 8228. So here we are going to subtract 4228 from 8228. So here 8228 is the minuend and 4228 is the subtrahend. So let's write in a place value table. So 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place and 8 is in thousand place, minus 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, another 2 is in hundreds place and 4 is in thousand place. So let's subtract 8 minus 8, you are taking 8 from 8. So if you take same number, you will get 0. From 8, you are removing 8. So from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nothing in my hand. So it means 0. Now in tens place you have 2 and 2. From 2 you have to remove 2. From 2 I am removing 2, 1, 2. Nothing in my hand. It means 0. In hundreds place we have 2, another number also 2, from 2 minus 2, 0. Now in thousand place we have 8, another number is 4. So if you take 4 from 8, you have 8, from that you are taking 4 away. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What left in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4. So what is the answer here children? That is 4000. So this is answer here. Which is the minuend? So first number is a minuend, means the greater number. Another number is subtrahend. And what answer you got? That is nothing but a difference. So this is subtraction with the help of place value without borrowing. Now let's subtract without borrowing, without the help of place value table. Here you have number 2228 minus 1210. Okay, now let's subtract. So this is a greater number, from this we have to subtract smaller number. So 8 minus 0, 0 means nothing. So you are not taking anything from 8. It means 8 is as it is. So it will come as it is down. Now from 2 you have to remove 1. From 2 you are removing 1. So what left here? 1. Here in 100 place we have 2. From 2 you are removing 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now in 1000 place we have 2. Another number is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer, children, here? 1080. So this is the method of subtraction without borrowing directly. We have not drawn any place value table, or we have not written in exponent form, or we have not written in group. So this is direct subtraction. Next one, subtraction with the help of borrow. We are taking borrow and then we are going to subtract. Now children, we are going to subtract 3267 from 5074. So here we have to draw a place value table for this. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. In ones place we have 4, in tens place we have 7, another number is 0, another number is 5. Now next number is 7, 6, 2 and 3. So we are going to subtract here. So here if you observe children, 7 is greater than 4. So we can't subtract 7 from 4. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow from tens place. So that 7 become 6 and I said 10 means it is equal to 10 units or 10 ones. Okay. So here you are adding 10. So 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 6 minus 6, 0. Here also from 0 we can't subtract 2. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow from 1000 place. So 5 become 4 and here it become 10. So it become 10. So 1000, 1000 is equal to, the 1000 is equal to 1000. 1000 is equal to how many hundred? 1000. So we have taken here 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the method of subtraction by taking borrowing. So after getting what answer you got here? 1807. So this is the method of subtraction with the help of place value. Without using place value table, how to subtract? Let's take a same problem here. From 4 we can't subtract 7. So we are taking borrow from tens place. So this becomes 6 and here you got 1. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 6, 0. Here we have 5. It becomes 4. You are taking borrow here. 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the method of subtraction without drawing place value table. Next one is verification. So what is the meaning of verification? After finding answer, we will get difference. Whether the difference is correct or not, we have to check. That is called verification. So here we know that this is minuend, this is subtrahend, and what answer we will get, that is different. So let's find the difference. So here from 6 we can't subtract 9. So we are taking borrow here. It becomes 16 and it becomes 2. So 16 minus 9, you are removing 9 from 16. It means you will get 7. So here from 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 3, from 8 you are removing 3. So 8 minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. What left here? 5. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So here difference is 1507. So what is the relationship between this and verification means how to verify. So what answer you got? The difference plus subtrahend should give minuend. After adding the difference in subtrahend, if you get minuend, then what you did is correct. So let's cross check this. So here subtrahend is 1329 and difference is 1507. So let's add this. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 as it is. Here 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 plus 5, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. So what we did is correct. So if you add subtrahend and difference, you have to get minuend. Then the what verification we have done, that is correct. So today we had learned how to add 4-digit number with the help of borrowing, without borrowing, and how to verify the answer what we have find. Thank you.